Today we will see Environmental Science, Planet First, 2nd Standard, EVS book. In that we will go through the chapter 7, Good Habits. Chapter 7, Good Habits. Let's dive in. Look at the two images. Do they show healthy habits? Give reason for your answers. We must follow good habits to keep ourselves healthy and happy. Being healthy means to be fit and free from diseases. We must eat healthy food and do regular exercises to stay fit. Let us learn some good habits that make us healthier and strong. Keeping the body clean. We should keep our body clean to remain healthy. We should wash our eyes with cold water as we get up from the bed. We must wash our hands with soap after using the toilet. We should brush our teeth twice a day. We must take bath every day. We should oil our hair regularly and comb it at least once a day. We must also keep our scalp clean by shampooing our hair at regular intervals. Dirty hair can invite lice. We should clean our ears every day with a soft cloth or an earbud. We should keep our nails clean and cut them with nail cutter once a week. We must wear clean clothes every day. Neat and clean clothes make us look smart and good. We also feel comfortable and fresh. We should keep our body clean to remain healthy. Think tank. Why do you need to keep our nails clean? Keeping a healthy body. We must maintain the following habits to keep a healthy body. We should start our day with a healthy breakfast. We must never skip our breakfast as it gives us energy to work and play the whole day. We should eat healthy food at proper time and drink lot of water. We must use clean plates, spoons and glasses to eat food. We should rinse our mouth every time we eat to protect the teeth from decay. This helps to remove the bits of food that stick to the teeth. Toothaches are often caused by germs which grow on the food stuck between the teeth. We must give our body enough rest. We should go to bed early and sleep for 8 to 9 hours. You have read that we should do some exercises regularly. Following are some of the exercises that we can do to stay healthy: walking, skipping, swimming, cycling. Good behavior. Everyone likes a child with good manners and habits. Read on to know the good manners that we must all follow. When we wake up in the morning, we should wish each other good morning. We should also wish others good night before going off to sleep. When we receive a gift from somebody, we must say thank you. We should say sorry when we make mistake or hurt somebody accidentally. When we ask someone for something, we must always say please. We should cover our mouth when we sneeze or cough. We must always knock on the door before we enter a room. We should never forget to switch off the lights before we leave a room. We should always use a clean toilet and flush it properly after using it. We must never wipe our dirty hands on our clothes. We should throw all garbages in the dustbin. We must keep our rooms clean. Toys and books should be kept in their proper places. We should respect our elders. We must also never fight with others or tease anyone. Good posture. Posture is the way a person holds her or his body. Let us practice some good postures. We must keep our back straight when we sit or stand. While sitting on a chair, our back should be kept straight against the back of the chair. We should walk straight with our shoulders thrown back and head held high and swinging our arms freely. Let's reel in. Summing up, good habits. Good habits help us to keep our body clean and healthy. We must develop good manners and good habits. We should maintain a good posture to stay healthy. Exercises. Fill in the blanks with the help of the clues given below. We should eat in clean plates. We should rinse our mouth after every meal. We should wear clean clothes every day. We should throw all garbage in the dustbin. We must put our toys and books in their right places. Write T for true and F for false. We should drink a lot of water. True. We must wipe our dirty hands on our clothes. False. We should stoop our shoulders when we sit. False. We must always knock on the doors before we enter a room. That is true. We need not cover our mouth when we sneeze or cough. That is false. Answer the following questions. What does being healthy mean? How many times do we need to brush our teeth every day? Why should we never skip our breakfast? Why should we keep our hair clean? What is posture? Tick the correct posture, right or wrong ones. You can complete. Then comes the activity. This completes chapter 7. For the next chapter, you can follow my next video. Playlists are created and uploaded in sequential order so that you won't miss any of the chapters. Thank you.